Back to work this morning. So we got a list of things we got to do today. And the first one is get all this dirt moved and curb cut out for the concrete guys so they can keep moving. Good news, they're gonna try to get us a new digging bucket for this thing. Besides that old squishy, or squished, I should say, squished one. So that'll be exciting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, as soon as I get all this, the bulk of it moved, there's a grade in that backyard. I'm gonna match that grade of all them backyards you see over yonder. We'll find out what the other grade is actually going to be like. Because there's this jog where behind the Hydrema, the concrete jogs out, the curb does, comes out, goes back up, comes up, goes around. It's weird. So, and we don't even know what the grade is on that yet. So we're just going to get it roughed in for now and handle the other stuff like with the storm out there, stuff like that. We got ourselves a crazy job site this morning, ladies and gentlemen. We got concrete truck right there. I can't get out that way with the Hydrema. We got drywall guys there loading. We can't get, obviously I can't get through there. We got another truck being loaded over there. I don't know what's going on here. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get all this stuff greased up and do something with my life. Hydrema's got an auto greaser on it, so we gotta do really much with that. I'm just gonna get this baby all greased up. of the dirt is moved. I didn't really grade it out too pretty. I left it fat. So just in case we need to throw some this way later, or we'll throw some that way later, it's right there. And we can handle it. Because we do got to build up, I don't know if you see it, that little wall right there. Build that to slope out kind of that way. That goes out of focus quick. We're gonna go take lunch now, and I'll probably go dig a trench. Lunch went well, if you wanted to know, thank you. What we got going now is where they came, we exposed and they core drilled. It's that 18-inch hole. We got a 12-inch pipe, but we want room to play, room to grout. So, I already ran my string line. But, yep, see a big old hole right here. We're gonna go through and chisel that into that channel right there. Make that all looking good. So yeah, we're gonna dig our trench all the way. The Hydrema's in the way, but we'll get it done. We got our water line right here. There's our white line. Water line right there. Can't hit that. And then at the same time, we got to expose where it's tapped off of the water line, because they've widened this now 10 feet, the street. We gotta go through, dig that down, and then when the seeder will come out, turn it off for us and make sure we don't contaminate the water line, because the whole thing's live. So that's what the plan is for the rest of the day, I believe. Unless the concrete guys need some stuff done, then we gotta keep them going, jump on that. But we'll figure it out. Nice day. We'll keep that door open. Can't wipe out that water line. The bucket's loud, I understand. Sorry. Whee! I hit it. I'm very good, buddy. I might have to start digging all articulated just to start out with. That big old concrete chunk. Come on, Zach, get it up there. Get it up there, come on now. Right behind you. Oh, I still can't reach. Gotta go in there and take out all that sludge that accumulated over the weekend. Oh, what is it doing? What are you doing? You making grade?
Yeah.
I see. TM4. I got our grades all set up. On water line, we were about to cross water line. I'll give you something there to walk on. Fall for it. Good enough. How am I on that water line? Am I still good? That water line?
Yeah, I didn't see it under the fabric yet.
No, that sticking out.
Yeah, you're good.
You're good? Okay. Well, I'm good. duck told I wouldn't be so scary, but I think it's C900. We both think it's C900. And I don't have a flat bit on this thing. So I gotta be super careful.
Nothing yet.
Oh, okay. I thought she found it. Found the water line. It is C900. Well, we think we're going to be right smack dab in the middle of our storm line. Oh, there, I need to dump the Hydrema. Getting a little full there, fellas. Yeah, he's doing that. I'm gonna go dump the Hydrema real quick. So we ran into some issues. The storm line is gonna run directly into the water line. We were kind of afraid. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's kind of dark down here, but here's the water line. There's this manhole right there. Yeah, it's a little too dark, but we're gonna run smack dab in the middle of it. So that sucks, but it is what it is. Things will get talked to the proper people about what to do to fix that and abandon it, dig somewhere else. I don't know. But that's going to do it for us today, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you liked what you see here, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I can't ever say that. And you want to see more of my videos, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.